Hey guys, what's up? In this video we'll about data validation. So how to add data validation. So by default our form includes basic data validation logic. So if I leave anything blank over here, it will throw me an error. So you can see that all these errors are there. So let's say if I want to give a title, so some beauty products, if I want to give, then I'll write beauty PR 01. Okay, beauty PR. Okay, then if you have another word, then it will be populated and added over here. So this is what we had done in the last class. So let's say beauty product number, so it will add you. So basically this is producing the slug automatically. So whatever you will write, that it will combine it and it will produce the slug field. Similarly description is there, so I am leaving description right now. Some prices 23, let's say inventory as 34, then this field is your collection, so collection I'll write beauty. Okay, now if I want to save this, you see it is throwing an error over here. So it's saying that description field is required. So if I am not given the description, for example, if I am coming to this model.py product and description, I have written that text equals to null equals to true, even though it is showing me an error. This is because whatever changes we are making in the keyword, this is applied only to the database. It is not being applied to the admin side. Okay, so to apply the into the admin side, we have a special argument called blank equals to true. So if I write blank equals to I'll say true. Okay, now if I save this, if I go back to my browser, refresh, so now this particular product has been saved successfully. Okay, because this has become optional now. So this is how you validate the data. Similarly, you can change the unit price. So unit price cannot be 0 or 1, so it cannot be 0, but right now it is taking 0. So if I put 0, then it will take the value, but it should not take the value of 0 or -1 or -2, something like that. So to do that, what we have to do, we have to similarly go to the model.py, and over here unit price, in this what we can do, we can we will import a minimum value validator, min value validator. So I'll write from django.co.validators. Okay, django.co.validators import min value validator. Okay, and over here what I'll do, instead in the unit price I'll write simply validators equals to list, and in this I'll pass min value validator. Okay, and the value I'll keep it as 1. Now if I save this and go back to my browser, refresh. Okay, now this is optional. Okay, so let's say if I put a value of 0 and then try to save this, so it will show me an error. It is saying that it should be greater than or equal to 1. So even if you write -3 or anything of any value which is less than 0, then it will show you an error. So this is how you do the validation. Similarly, you can do it for the inventory also. Similar trick will be used for the inventory also. So this is how you validate the things. So let's say now instead of add, since I had deleted the promotion class, so I'll, in last class what we had done, we had exclude the promotion. So अभी हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं कहाँ पे हमने किया था. Okay, yeah. So if I just remove this, Control S, and go back, refresh, I will add another field called promotions. Now this field is also required. So let's say you wanna keep this field as a optional. So similar thing you can do it over here as blank equals to true. Then if I write blank equals to true, then in the models.py I'll go to promotions. Okay, and I'll write description equals to so and so, and blank equals to true. Okay, now what will happen if I save this, this error will be gone. Refresh this, send. I don't think it has got saved. Control S, refresh. This field is required. Had given blank equals to true, no? Under promotion description model care field कहीं गलती की हमने. Collection oh sorry, not here. I'll just इसको delete करो यहाँ से. यहाँ पे आपको ऐड करना है promotions under the product. So here you will write blank equals to true. Okay, now save this and go back to the browser, refresh. Now the error should go. Yeah, the error has gone. So this is how you validate the fields. Alright, so that's all for this lecture guys, and I'll see you in next lecture. Till the time, take care.